Hello! Welcome to Solo Board Gamer Nantondo. I'm Rico, your host for today. Now we're going to unbox the new expansion for Marvel Champions, the card game. This was recently delivered to me by a courier. So it's the latest expansion. So here, you're now dealing with the heroes. Iron Man, Captain Marvel, Captain America, and Spider-Woman. Unlike before previous Marvel champions, you're dealing with the villains. But here, you're dealing with supers. Because it is Civil War. This is the battle against the registration group against the resistance group. The registration group composed of Iron Man and Captain Marvel, and the resistance group composed of Captain America and Spider-Woman. This is the time when superheroes fight against superheroes. This is the only expansion right now by Marvel Champions as a competitive PvP card game. Marvel Champions was developed for a cooperative LCG game, but time changed. Now they release this expansion as a PvP competitive LCG card game. Strange. It has no plastic, unlike the previous expansion. We will now open this carefully. Not to damage the box. Still, it has its comics. You know, I'm quite surprised, and I'm see the materials used on this one is not as good quality as before. Here comes the comics, where Captain America and Iron Man argue of one topic against the government having this registration act. Okay. Also, they release a scenario, small scenario with a PvP, the same. It's Synthesoid Smackdown. It will be coming soon. We'll have also that copy. Oh, they don't like plastic anymore. They provide this kind. Okay, let's open. Let's see what's inside. No more plastic, huh? But these are not pure paper. Captain America. It's a level 1. So in easy, he has 14 and 18. On hard, starts at 18 and 22 per player. This is now his scheme. Same item, Captain Shield. Same item as the hero Captain America. I remember this item. The serum. the shield block, shield toss, the heroic strike, fearless determination, and his minion. Minion are also superheroes like Falcon, Hercules, Goliath, Freedom Fighters. Also, Black Panther, Spectrum, Freedom Fighters, switching sides, and also Namor. These are Atlanteans. These are called what you call this module.
Whether I'm on set, planning a launch, or walking into
They're called modular encounter sets. So this is an Atlantean modular encounter set. Rule of Atlantis, of course, is Namor. Yeah. And Namor is there also. Yeah, he's here. Namor. And of course, let's go to the other superhero, Spider-Woman. Again, he has four. This is for easy level, normal, and an expert level 3 and 4. Same. Yes, the same superpowers like when you're using her as a hero. These are the same cards, but these are developed to be used as a villain. You know, the hero here are villains. So the cards that you were using previously, which is and has a this back, now has this back. So her minions, Luke Cage, Jessica Jones, and we have also the Defenders. Defenders modular encounter. And also we have Hell's Kitchen, Daredevil, Iron Fist, and Cloak and Dagger, Light Force, Resistance. This modular will be used when you're doing PvP, targeted strike, standard PvP. Yeah, these items are basic items. They can be added on the player. Okay, that is for the Resistance. Now let's open the card for the registration group, headed by Iron Man. Oh, Iron Man. Same, 4 copies. His signature item: Rocket Bombs, Power Gauntlet, Mark V helmet, Arc Reactor, Mark B armor, and also his signature card, so probably the Supersonic Punch. Of course, these are the other model, the Mighty Avengers, Yellow Jacket, Was, US Agent, Mighty Avengers, and the Initiative, Doc Samson, Hellcat, Mighty Avengers. Maria Hill is now the director of the Shield. Dangerous Recruit, Venom, Bullseye. Okay, so that's for the cooperative. And we look now to Captain Marvel, one also of the registration group. He has 4 copies as well. Signature cards: Superpower, Armor Tech, Superpower, Cosmic Flight, Psychotic Blast, Crisis Interdiction, Energy Absorption, And also some modular encounter deck. Cap Killer, Keep Killer, Shield, Hercules for Hire, Calling Queen, Shang-Chi, Unregistered Super, and Paladin. Also, this is used for the registration and some of the cards to be added. Okay. Now let us open the two heroes included on this box. So we will open right now the first hero. So starter decks. So this is for the resistance. Hulking. Okay. For his ally, Wiccan, Altman, Wing Shape. These are his signature cards. Imitation, Shapeshifter, Armor Defense, Impersonation, Shapeshifter. Looking on his deck, he's much more look on protection type. Patriot, Brotherhood, Night Nurse. I can do this all day. Taunt, Tackle, Cut Both Ways, Preservation. He has also basic cards, Iron Lad, Access Situation, and also his obligation, Complicated Lineage, and his nemesis, Super Skrull. Now we go over to one of the heroes for the registration group. Tigra. Previously, Tigra was a ally on one of the, I still remember, it's an aggression deck. Now he's a hero that you can use. His ally here on his signature card, Moon Knight, President HQ. He has Cat's Head Amulet, Sharp Claws, Cat-like Reflexes. He has Hunted, Upgrade. Event, Tooth and Claw, Feline Senses. She is an aggressive type, aggression type hero. Well, you can, actually it's depending. You can make him an aggression, justice, leadership, or protection. It depends how you want her to be. But sometimes the skills, the signature card, are much better on some let's say some type. Maybe her skills are better on aggression type. But again, it's not stopping you to create other. Okay? So what are the new cards for aggression? Shogun Kid, Spider Girl, Air Cover, Aggressive Conditioning, Super Simfire, Bring It. I know Bring It is a Coup de Grace, Audacity, and of course some basic Yellow Jacket. These are old energy. And obligation is Into Deep, and his nemesis, the Hood. Previously, I have the Hood. What you call this? The Hood scenario deck. Some of here are being recycled. I don't know why. And that's it, folks. That is for our unboxing of the new expansion for Marvel Champions titled Civil War. The first PvP expansion for Marvel Champions LCG. And again, this is Rico of Solo Board Gamer Tondo. Bye-bye for now. Stay tuned for my next video. I will play test, or I will play this in solo using the heroes here in Civil War. I need to assemble first a hero to
Hindi kompleto araw ko.
I will create first the deck to be used here again, to be used on this gameplay. And again, thank you for watching.